Hello guys, in today's video we are going to be doing every game mode in Monkey's Realm. First off, we need to get in a public lobby.
Yes,
Alright, now that we're in the public lobby, the first game mode is casual. Let's see what we're going to do. Everyone knows what casual is. So the second game mode is gonna be next boss.
So the background was very loud, but I was saying you already know what next box is because of my last video, so enjoy the clips.
I'm on spectrum.
We're scared for the best guy!
Someone help!
Oh my gosh! So loud! Oh my god! The next game mode is cars. So this game is pretty simple. So all you do, whoa, I already crashed. You drive a car.
What's going on here?
Which is pretty fun. I'm gonna drive on the track. No. Oh, don't drive on the track. Okay, here we go. Yo. Oh, I'm doing good. Whoa. No.
Who just went like that?
Ah! Stop!
Well,
Dude!
Don't the one.
Yeah, I'm going back to the main game. Bro, what are you doing? The next game mode, Only Up.
So in Only Up, I've made it past the moon before, and I'm going to show you that clip right now.
Finally! Oh my gosh. Come on. Don't fail me now. Wait, oh my god, I almost fell. Don't fail me now. Oh my. No. What if I go like this? Yes! Oh my god! Oh my gosh. Oh! There's so much more. The next game mode, Battle!
This video.
Bro, what in the world is going on?
Why are you chasing me?
What?
Because you ate me.
What's happening?
Stop!
Who's talking right now?
Oh, you're being my mom. Really? Why?
Why are you yelling?
Why did you kill me? Why did you
Because
kill
you
me?
want
I didn't
us.
stab you. Hey,
Just to look, you run out of bullets.
Hey,
What?
guys, you want to play club? I surrender. Can we team? Come against club. You're oh my god! You just got out of spawn. Does no one know what teaming means? I know what teaming is. It's come together to go kill someone. Come together to fall. Finally, someone knows what teaming is.
I obviously know what it is, buddy.
You didn't say anything. You just freaking killed. Guys, come together. Yeah, people.
Help!
One of those bots in Fortnite. And it goes, oh.
Blue, what did I do
Blue, just say I You did everything to me. You did everything to me. Me and Letty on a team. Bro, you on a team, bro. You're on a team.
Blue?
Guys,
How come you're not chasing me?
Sam cheated. You, hey, you cheated, bro. You're not the right person, bro. You're not the right person. There's another guy named Sam. Oh, God, I'm scared.
I'm gonna air bomb. I'm gonna bomb them.
I think you would die.
I'm gonna bomb them.
Oh, you're gonna bomb
Everything is
me?
RPG.
Bad.
Gun.
Got him.
Ow!
I think I'm out of bullets.
You're out of bullets? Oh, well.
Get out of here!
Ah, my arms are hurting. Bruh! Join? Who's saying that?
Okay, you can join. You can join.
Oh, hello.
Who wants to join the KK team?
I have no...
KK's
I want to.
Ow!
He's on the KK team club.
I'm dead.
That says Sunzy. Come here. That does not say D. I want some.
The next game mode is horror. And we're in.
Oh my God.
Let's go.
I can't leave you alone.
This is the final game mode.
What is it? Let's go, remember. You need to run.
Run.
You need to run. Yeah, run away from him. Yeah, I need you with us.
All right. I'm following.
What the? Go.
I'm running. I'm running.
And I'm going fast like sun.
My eyes.
The clown is coming for me. The clown.
Let me in. Ah.
Oh my god, go.
Go. Go. Let me in.
Oh my god.
Who wants to go with me for trio?
I'll go.
There, bro. Wait, go. Come here, squad. Come here.
I'm coming.
I know. Let's go, monkey squad. Let's go, blue squad.
I'm the only one that isn't blue.
Everybody, let's go, monkey squad. Let's go, monkey.
You pressed up first. Whichever is two.
Run.
Wait, stop. Don't go.
Quickly,
Don't go. Go. No.
Monkey squad.
This is number one. Is this number one?
Let me in.
Wait for me, monkey.
Let me in.
I have
Let me in. Number two under here. Seconds.
Help! I'm stuck. Oh my God. Let me in.
Go. I can't do this anymore.
Is this one it?
No.
Wait for me. Oh no! I hope you guys enjoy this video. Leave a like and subscribe if you want. Don't have to. See ya!